Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play low notes on the alto saxophone. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, playing low notes isn't as hard as it seems. I'm a beginner myself, and I can still play a decent number of low notes, okay? There are a few key things that you need to know and remember, and then once you know and remember those things, and you actually incorporate them into your playing, you can get those low notes with some practice. So, just give me a second here. Sorry about that. I said this in a couple of other videos that I just filmed. I just finished having a tuna sandwich, so I have all that mayo and that salt and that pepper and that tuna just hovering right around here. So I do apologize, but I'm gonna do my best to get through this video without clearing my throat that many times. So the first thing you need to know is it requires more air. You're gonna need to get big, deep breaths to prepare for those low notes, okay? Second thing, loosen your embouchure. Your embouchure, and you should probably know this, is just your lip positioning and lip movement and lip things that you do with the mouthpiece, okay? And it's present on many different instruments, not just the saxophone, okay? So you wanna start at a note and then start working your way down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna recommend that you start at a nice low G, which the fingering for a G is 1, 2, 3, very simple, okay? 1, 2, 3, and then you work your way down because it's easy. Then you incorporate a 4, okay? To go to F, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You incorporate a 5, okay? To go to E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you also incorporate a 6 to go to D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? Very simple. So we're gonna start at a G, low G, and hopefully my reed is wet enough. Yeah, it should be good. And I sometimes just puff out my cheeks a little bit to get a little bit better at getting those low notes. We'll see if I can hit the notes, okay? Bear with me. If you hear any squeaks, just give me a moment to wet my reed and we will be good to go. So let's play these notes. Wow. That sounded amazing. I'm not trying to brag. I'm trying to be humble, but I gotta hand it to myself. That sounded incredible. That sounded amazing. For a beginner, I'm impressed, okay? But the reason is because I studied how to play these low notes. It's not that I've been playing for a long time. I have not. I just started playing the sax. I do have experience with many different other instruments. I play many instruments fluently, but not the saxophone. I'm very, very beginner at it, okay? I'm a beginner. I'm very beginner-ish at it, okay? That's how to play the low notes, okay? Loosen your embouchure, get more air, puff out your cheeks just a little bit. Play, you gotta blow into that mouthpiece really hard and start with a low note and then work your way down just like I did right there. I already told you the fingerings for them and the notes that I was playing. That is essentially it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.